Hey there, Bassamore family. It's your boy Justin. As you can see, we got the kayaks loaded up. Yep, we got poles underneath the kayaks, and we got the gear in the back of the truck. We're gonna head out, and me and the wife are gonna do some kayak fishing today. So here we are, taking a hike with Max. Get him some exercise before we get out and do some fishing. Okay, so we've hiked up a little bit here. As you guys can see, we've got the Snake River down below us in the canyon. This is not what we're going to fish today, even though I've heard that there is some good fishing down in here. But no, we're not going to fish this. We're going to fish the lake that's actually up behind us back here. So, like I said, we're just trying to get there. He is. Max, come here, buddy. So we're going to get Max. There he is. Say hi, buddy. Max, say hi to all the YouTube fans. Max.
Can you say hi?
Say hi, buddy. All right, guys. Well, so we've hiked up to another view spot right here. I'm going to hike out on this rock a little more, show you. But, so anyways, we're parked way over there, and we've hiked all the way around all this. But this is where we're going to fish today. So we're actually going to take the kayaks, we're going to launch in back over where we parked there, and we're going to row our kayaks right down about here where this guy's fishing right here. And I've been told there's some pretty good largemouth bass in this lake. And I've been told that they're all back in this cove, hanging out in the rocks for the heat. Plus, it's pretty deep. It's the deepest spot of the lake right here. So this is where we're going to fish today, guys.
Power bait was working. I should have used that.
Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. Hi. Uh-huh. Hi. Come here. Max. Max, come here. Where's the stick, buddy? Look. Go here.
Okay.
So if you want to sit in, I'll push you up, babe.
Okay. And then if you
right behind you.
see my weight, will you grab it?
Your weight?
Yeah. I can get in by myself, baby.
I'll push you out too.
Yeah.
So here we go, guys. This is what we're going to go to, the Divine Shaky Worm. 6.3 inches. Smells like plastic. That is why we brought this with us. Doo-doo. Tell me what you guys like to use for attractant. I've never really used attractant before until I got this stuff. And it says it's a bass attractant by Berkeley Power Baits. So you gotta think Berkeley knows a little bit about fishing. They make some good stuff. So I just got it because the Walmart I was at, they had on the shelf. But I am always curious to know if you guys are throwing something else or using something else. If so, what? Where do you get it? Do you home make it? So I am throwing weedless here. Presentation only because I don't know for sure how much, there's no rocks, but I don't know how much for sure how much weed is down there. So what I do is I just put a glob of that on. And I just smear it. Just smear it on all up and down that thing. And given the darker waters, hopefully the smell is what's going to draw them in over here. As they're down there. You can see on the radar, they're down there. So okay, we're going to switch for a minute. From the 6 cents back to my little creature, because like I said last time I was out here, this is the exact bait they were munching on the whole time we were here. And I'm going to put a little attractant on that before I toss it out too, but this will hopefully be my good one. Not too much, just enough. Lots of little trout hanging out here towards the edge, but not seeing anything else. I don't know if the bass are back here right now. They might have moved out. Got a bite, had a bite. I hope that showed up on camera, guys. I just cut that hoping it would drop into the kayak, and the hook bounced off the floor of the kayak and went right overboard. So I just lost that hook for a WG. So let's give Catch Co a try here, guys. I think the square bill dives 3 to 6 feet. As you can see, it's black and red, so kind of a darker color with the crawfish look to it. So given the fact that we are close to the Snake River here, and there are crawfish in the Snake River, and given this time of year they're following the bait, why not something that looks like a crawfish swimming around? So I would love it if within first couple of casts we start getting fish. That would be amazing. As we know, so far Texas rig ain't working. So let's see what we got. Not bad cast for the fact that I forgot to adjust anything. Oh, Guggen Squad fell out of the bag. Yeah. Fix that in a minute. I don't know if this Catch Co bait, I need to show you guys better on the camera if it has rattles or not. I would hope it does. Might be set just right. So here we go. Yeah, it does. Small rattle, not very loud. Wind is completely blowing me a whole circle here. Wife's texting me. She's right there though. Come eat lunch with me, baby. You guys see that? Hey, baby. Mwah. We're gonna have to move your rod. We can throw it in my kayak while we eat, but this way we can hook up.
Excuse me. It's like 3 o'clock. I was like, I'm starving.
Here, let's get. There you go. That works. And then you could probably hook up right there.
I'm stuck. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. Why?
Oh. It sounded like you went.
Oh no.
Yay! How's it going?
Good. How are you doing?
Got some activity. I decided I'm going to switch to a jig because I know there's like
Yeah.
bluegill and crappie.
Well, and I'm seeing tons and tons of bass at the bottom over here.
Yeah.
And I got one bite over here by these people. They've caught like 4 trout since I've been here.
Mm-hmm. What are they using?
I don't know. I haven't talked to them.
Oh, okay.
But I got one bite over by them. Haven't got anything since, and that was with my jig with my little craw on it. Mm-hmm. And so I've been switching back and forth between that and the Texas rig. I'm not getting a single bite on the Texas rig, so just as you had texted me, I just switched to my Catch Co crankbait.
Okay, switched. Well, I decided to switch, and then I was like, you know, I might as well just eat first. Well,
Not
I'm
mine.
bummed that and here's your chips. I'm bummed that I had a bunch of nibbles and didn't set the hook.
You thirsty?
I could use a sip.
That's all we got, but
No, we didn't bring enough water,
I
babe.
should have brought more. I know. Got a big old kayak and everything, and this is all the water we brought.
A little bit of spicy.
So guys, this is how we do it in the kayaks. We just put 2 of them together right there like that. And I especially put that bolt on that kayak just for that. So that we can tie up like this and hang out.
Perfect. picnic in the kayak.
Yep. Can't tell us we're not social distancing. Out here in the water by ourselves on a boat, having lunch.
Okay. I'll take my rod and put it. Hold on, sorry. I'm doing that for you. Put my rod right here. Before I move. He got messed up. Okay, now I'm going to sink it. If it wants to sink. A little bit, okay. So yeah, I didn't sink that all the way. Let's see if I get anything from right here. I got one. Do you see my pole? Look at my pole.
I can't see it from the angle I'm at, but
Oh. I got it.
yeah, water temperature's almost 50 degrees. Got him?
Yeah, I got him.
There we go, guys. That's better first fish.
I kind of went simple with my bait, actually. Bringing him up is... This is really hard. Stupid hook. I got him right on the lip, but...
Oh, there it goes. Well,
Good.
had him. Hopefully we got that on camera. What are you doing? Just a little worm?
Just a worm.
Comes the wife. I'll watch her paddle in. Another cast. Everybody, well, as you can see today, she had a little bit of luck. She caught one. I didn't catch anything, but that's all right. We weren't doing a contest today or anything like that. Just getting out of the house, you know, trying to enjoy something besides Netflix. So, well, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next episode. See ya.
Have a good one.
Are you on the fishing app FishBrain?
Yes. Yep.
I just got that.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Well, if you want to look me up, in fact, I have a card.
Okay.
I'm actually recording now. You have any issues, be on YouTube in case I post it?
No, I don't.
Okay.
The GoPro on your
If she's not with me, usually Oh, there you go. He was just chasing it. Look at that.
going after it.
Yep. So
Bass
check it
and
out.
more.
Yep,
I will.
and
I've been
it's
watching
got.
a lot of YouTube.
And you see on the back, I've got FishBrain, YouTube, and Instagram.
Okay.
They're all Bass and more. So yeah. So check it out. All right. Have a good one.